So hey guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim and you are watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with another latest bridal blouse designs, and these bridal blouse you never seen in my recent videos and all on my videos. Okay, this is a very unique, and this is for my beautiful client from Mumbai, named Deepa Thimma ma'am. And Deepa Thimma ma'am has selected these designs and sent me, and also send his sari photo. So we are making same as it is designs with the hair sari combinations, and combination was a sky blue. And right now we are stitching on a back neck border. First we are stitching some 3 numbers moti, 2 lines, 1 lines for sugar beads. It's normal sugar beads, okay, and also have a crystal quality, and stitching with a 7 number needle. It's a wooden needle. It's not for beginners, it's also for pro level workers and pro level students, because it's a needle very smooth and very good. And if you are a beginner, you need to use iron needle. Iron needle have a too much strong, and same both needle are same with hooks. You just you have no idea how to put these are needles, and I have too much difficulties to talk in English, so please understand my problems. Okay, so we are on the back and we are stitching some French knots. French knot is a very different concept, okay, and these are 16 thread in a one time. And first we are putting one in a middle side, then we are stitching all around 6 flowers like this, okay, and we also stitching some silk thread all around these flowers. So then these are flowers are completed, okay, and upper side you can see these are flowers we are already printed, and these flowers we are making with zardozi, okay. So same as it is, we make both our sleeves flowers, and these flowers are only coming on the sleeves, not a back neck and not a front neck. And downside you borders in a same border come on a back neck and also front neck. And upper side sleeves have a different work, like some big booties and also printed on the top, and some sugar beads line with the 3 number motis, okay. So right now we are stitching some flowers with the 3 number motis and also sugar beads. And look at this line, in this one line have a 1 3 number moti and 3 sugar beads, okay. First we are stitching these flowers with a 1 3 number moti and all around sugar beads, and also have a zardozi cover up. Zardozi cover up is a very unique concept. And also look at these are flowers we are completed with the silk thread stitchings. So these colorful flowers is completed, and also we are try to complete with the other flowers, okay. So same as it is we are making with the downside flowers, and I'll show you some very different type of work, because we are always try to teach you something new from my videos, okay. So I'll show you how we are printed over blouse designs, okay, and also make same as it is. And if you need any help, you just WhatsApp on this number, okay. Look at this, these are stitching. Right now we are stitching zardozi lines, and zardozi lines have some cut pieces of zardozi, and we are stitching straight line same as it is. No need to do fast, because zardozi is a very smooth and also have a spring shape, and if you stick your zardozi with the smooth level and stitching very slowly, so it's very useful, okay. So we are stitching same as it is. And also look at this top of flowers, we are also stitching some zardozi flowers leaf, and also stitching one 3 number moti and also all around zardozi, okay. I hope you are understand what I'm trying to say, guys. And if you have any issue according to Aariwork and Aariwork classes, you just WhatsApp on this number, and we are always ready for your help, guys. And my team is very down to earth and always ready for your help, guys. So right now we are printing over blouse, upper side of blouse designs, because border downside border have a 4.5 inches, and time to drawing over upper side of blouse designs. So these are flowers coming on a top, and then we are stitching some lines. You can see the lines on top of the papers, And this paper have one tips for you guys. First you buy the butter paper, then you are drawing your which designs you want, you just drawing on a butter papers. Okay, then you pinch with the machines. Okay, pinching machine is a very useful for making new bridal blouse designs, because he saves you lots of time, because if you do this pinching with the hand, it take lots of time, maximum 1.5 hours for your very important time. So tracing machine will do very fast and very neat work, so it's very useful for a beginners and also for a fashion designer who want to do this work at home. So right now we are on the back neck, and we are stitching some flowers on a back, because back have a just one border line on a neck. Okay, and back have lots of free space, so that's why we are decided to stitching some flowers on a back neck with zardozi, and also 3 number moti, and also have a zardozi. Okay, first we are stitching 3 leaf on a bottom top side, 1 in a middle side, and also 2 in a bottom side. It's a 3 type of needle, 3 type of leaf. And look at these are flowers are complete with the sugar beads and zardozi. Okay, so same as it is, we are stitching all flowers on a back neck. So back neck look very different, because if you have only one border in a back neck, so I think blouse was not looking good. I know sleeves is a very important part of the blouse designs, but also little bit have a look from the back shape, back neck. Okay, so look at this, my printed are very dry, so we are stitching to start to stitching. These are upper side of work, and look at these are upper side, we are stitching some sugar beads line with the motis, and also look these are back. Okay, so right now we are stitching guys zardozi load, and first we are stitching some piping dory. Okay, then we are stitching some zardozi load, and it's a very unique and very difficult work for a beginner. Only difficult for a beginner if you have a little bit ideas about Aariwork. I think you are doing this work very simply ideas, and very easily. Okay, so look at these are, and I'll show you the exactly what is the design. We are start to making this. Okay, I'll show you, wait a second. And we are stitching maximum 1 2 and 3, maximum 7 flower in a bottom side, and look at these are designs we are start to making. And look at these are flowers, and all flowers have a zardozi, and these are blouse we are using too much zardozi. And also blouse have a 3 and a 4 categories, like one for materials categories, it's have a little bit low cost. Okay, and if you want some zardozi work all around your blouse, so of course your blouse was a cost little bit high. Okay, so right now we are stitching some kardana, it's crystals, and we are stitching some straight lines on a top side. And look at these are flowers of gold zardozi, it's looking very elegant and very beautiful. And we are using right now kardana with 8 number wooden needle. Okay, and guys, if you not understand my English and you have any issue, you just WhatsApp on this number. Okay, and also forgive me like you are a little brother. And we just start my tutorials explain in English, because lots of people have lots of problems, he not understand Hindi, so that's why we will decide to explain my art in English. Okay, so we are stitching same as it is lines with the full sleeves. Okay, in a bottom side, top side, and look at this, 3 workers work in a one blouses, very heavy blouses. And also this blouse budget maximum 6,000 rupees above. Okay, back is almost ready, and front almost ready, and sleeves have a work right now under process. Okay, so same as it is, we are stitching on a back neck. Okay, and also have a front neck, and right now we are stitching on a back on a sleeves. Okay, so some people's doing this straight line, some artist doing downside with some booties work, and other one he's doing same straight line, and not a complete straight line, we also stitch some 3 number moti in a downside of lines. I'll show you, wait a second. Okay, and this cardana is a real crystals. Okay, so I'll show you with another step. Okay, wait a second. So look at this, we are stitching some zardozi in a middle side of sleeves, and we are stitching also straight line on a bottom top side. And look at this second one sleeves on a black t-shirt man's. Look at this sleeves, we are stitching also in a middle side some 3 number moti and also some sugar beads on a top side, not a full sleeves, but top side we are stitching some motis 3 number and also have a little bit line of sugar beads, because it's a very different work with the different tips and tricks, and I hope you never seen this type of work in my videos. So that's why we are sharing these designs with you guys, and I hope you like this video and also like my work quality and also like my English explanations. And if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me like your little brother. Okay, so right now we are stitching some straight beads. It's very useful and it's very different work, guys. So we are almost complete. These are blouse designs. We are taking some 2 and 3 more hours. So these are blouse almost completed. So I'll show you zardozi cover up with gold thread. These are not a silk thread, it's called kasab, and stitching with the do tar needle. Do tar needle has a very different and very beautiful for Aari beginners. And if you want to buy this needle, you just WhatsApp me on this number. And if we have one more information about Aari students who want to learn this work, we also sell over Aari jumbo kit. It's very useful for beginners and also for students who want to learn this work from your home. So you just buy my kit and also watch my videos, and if you want to learn this work pro level, you just join my classes. So I'll teach you everything between 3 months. In a 1 month I'll teach you basic, and 3 months I'll teach you basic to pro between 3 months. Okay, and if you want any help, you just WhatsApp me on this number. So this time is a show you the final blouse look. Look at this back neck, and we are also putting some combination on a middle side of booties, and also look at this back neck shape. It's a very amazing and very beautiful blouse designs. Look at this gold color rod, it's a very shiny and it's very beautiful. And if you want, these are blouse designs on your own blouse pieces, you just WhatsApp me on this number. We are making any type of color you want. Okay, and we are also making your body type measurement, and we are taking 1 by 1 order. We are not making like ready-made type. We are taking 1 by 1 order, and we are also making your body size. Okay, we are especially in customize. If you want these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on this number, and also tell me how's the blouse designs and how's the my English explanations. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if I'll do any mistake of my tutorials and talking in my English, so please forgive me. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you tomorrow with another video.